Hello, and thanks for tuning in. If you're using the X mobile app, formerly known as Twitter, and want to take control of your notifications, this guide is for you. We'll walk through each step you need to follow to customize what alerts you receive. Let's get started with the first step. Open the X app on your mobile device. Tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. Scroll down and tap on Settings and Support. Under that section, tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, tap on Notifications. Following this, tap on Preferences. From here, you'll see multiple options. For example, you can tap on Push Notifications. Finally, toggle off on all notification or any specific notifications you no longer want to receive, such as mentions, likes, or retweets. That's it. You've now learned how to customize your notifications on the X app. If this video helped, consider subscribing for more helpful tech guides and updates. Thanks for watching.